Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see an important command in Linux, that is the top command. This top command is used to change the process priority. So for this we are going to open the terminal. So I am opening the terminal. I need to create certain processes. So I will first create the process with the help of dd command. So dd if equal to \dev 0 space of, this is just going to create a process for us of, I just want to create some null processes. Okay, so I am just going to create the process, pressing enter. Okay, I forgot ampersand to write. I'm just going to write the ampersand. Okay, you will see that ampersand is nothing but this process will be created at the background. That is the reason I have to write ampersand. The process ID is given as 3201. I will create one more time, that is 3203. One more time I will create the process. This is how you can create the process. I am just repeating the command. Now the next command, which is the important command which we are learning, that is called as the top command. Now remember this process IDs, or you can say the PIDs. You are going to remember this, that is 3201, 304, 5 and 6. These are the process IDs. I am just going to press enter, and you will see that the PIDs or the processes which we have created have come over here. Now this particular top command is always refreshed after every 5 seconds. That is the reason you will see that the output is continuously being refreshed. Now what is the important task that we want to perform is, we want to kill a particular process with the help of this top command, and the second thing is we want to change the priority of that particular process. I will show you first how to kill that particular process. Suppose I want to kill 3203, this particular process I want to kill. What am I going to do is, I am going to press small k. Once I am pressing small k, it is asking me which PID you want to kill. I will say that 3203 is the PID which I want to kill. It is asking me whether you want to kill it with the signal 15, that is the normal killing which is done. So I will say that yes, I want to do it with the help of that, and you will see that 3203 process which was previously present in the PID is now being removed. So with the help of the K key you can just kill any kind of a process. Now the second task that we are going to perform with the help of the top command is how to change the priority. Now if you see that the priority is given as 20 20 20 and the niceness value is given as 0. So if I want to change the priority, I am going to press small r. So it is asking me ki which PID I want to renice, that is kiska, you can say that this particular PID, whose PID I want to change the priority. So you can write any dummy PID. I will write 3205 is the PID which I have created. This is the PID whose priority I have to change. So if I press enter, it is asking me what is the niceness value that I want to change. I will say that the niceness value that I want to change is 10 and press enter. Just check out, you will see that the priority was 20, it is incremented by 10, so the priority has become 30 now, and the niceness value has become 10. So 3205 is what we have changed over here. So with the help of top command we can change the priority of any process. Even we can kill the process by giving the PID for killing. Okay, so this was all about what we have done in this particular video. If you like this particular video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. That's all for today.